Welcome back. United Health Center serves more than 100 communities in Fresno, Kern, Kings, and Tulare counties. UHC provides medical, dental, optometry, behavioral health care, and more. They are committed to getting you the care you need conveniently, regardless of ability to pay. And the United Health Center's foundation is expanding the impact UHC has on the Central Valley. So here to tell us more is Candace Clem, UHC Director of Philanthropy. And we also have Andrea Andrade, UHC Foundation Summer Fun Run co-host. I saw your and Fabula's pictures all around the building. It does look like a good time. Before we talk about the fun run and ways that we can support the foundation, who is the UHC Foundation? How are you guys related to UHC? How do you help them with their mission?
Thanks, Emily. That's a great question. The UHC Foundation is the philanthropy branch at United Health Centers, and our mission is synonymous with UHC's. We exist to elevate the health and well-being in those communities that United Health Centers serves. And ways that we do that is we develop private support that grows and develops programs, services, brings equipment to care centers that wouldn't normally be there. And our biggest priority is to bring comprehensive care centers into communities that have the most need and the least resources with regard to healthcare.
We've talked about this before. United Health Centers, yes, we receive federal dollars, but we also need support from private funding. And who better to support than people who are in those communities? And so we know what our health needs are much more than anybody else who lives outside of the Central Valley. And so we can support you guys with all kinds of events that you're doing. So you just had your gala, and you've got some things happening this summer. What is the next event we're looking forward to?
So the next event that we're looking forward to is the UHC Summer Fun Run, and I'm super excited about that because it's one of our 3 signature events. We host our signature gala every spring, which you mentioned just passed.
Yes.
And it was a knockout of the park. It was something like we've never done before, and we raised a lot of money thanks to a lot of generous sponsors. And after our fun run this summer, we have golf in September as well. So our fun run is sandwiched right in the middle of those other 2 signature events. And one of the reasons why we wanted to do that is because we have a gala, which is a private event, right? We get to go out, have a great time, develop support. And then we have a golf event, which also, it only houses maybe 144 players. And one of our priorities at United Health Centers and the foundation is to engage our families, to engage our patients, and to embody and support family-centered care. And one of the ways we wanted to do that was to bring out families. Yes.
And so, Andre, you're going to be hosting for the 2nd time.
Yep.
Are you a runner yourself?
I am, actually. I've been doing track since I was a little girl.
Oh, okay, okay. So you're going to be there. You're going to help us across the finish line. But there's all kinds of events. You don't have to be a runner. What are the events at the Summer Fun Run?
So we do have lots of different races.
Yes.
We do have one of them catered to adults, the other one for kids, and the other one for mascots from local entities around the valley. So I think it's going to be super fun for everybody, including, you know, vendors and lots of information.
Yeah, I think I was reading there's a 5K, a 10K, a 2-mile walk, and then we've got kids races and the mascot races.
Yeah, so you don't really have to run the entire way. You can go ahead and walk also, but, you know, we encourage you to come out and bring your friends.
Any other events or any other activities that we're looking forward to at the Summer Fun Run?
Well, like I said, we do have the mascot race, which last year was a lot of fun. Actually, one of the mascots during, you know, half of the race, he kind of lost his head a little bit. So, you know, it's going to be fun this year also.
Well, the mascot races, you know, at baseball games or football games or whatever, those are always my favorite. I don't get to see them run further than around the bases, so this is a good time. How will you, so people register, we have the link if you want to register, runsignup.com, it's right there. How will this money be used through UHC, through the foundation? What will the money go towards?
It's a really great question. Our goal is to generate income to grow and develop some of our signature programs at United Health Centers. And so, for example, one of the biggest issues that we run into is truly just access to care. So we have a complimentary transportation program for our patients who cannot get to our care center. And we'll bring those patients from their home to their appointment and back home. That includes even children. We have car seats outfitted in our transportation vehicles. We also assist with enrolling our patients and families in medical services. We help assist families through our social worker programs to get access to resources outside of truly just healthcare delivery that are the the social determinants of health.
Yeah.
Access to food, nourishment, housing, in addition to transportation. So those are just a few of the examples of how dollars will be used, generated at the UHC Summer Fun Run.
It really is such a comprehensive and sort of barrier-breaking organization, and at every location, and I've been to many of them, is absolutely stunning. So if people want to support the mission, they want to support the foundation and UHC, where can we go for more information on events coming up?
For all events for the UHC Summer Fun Run, Gala, and Golf event, you can go to unitedhealthcenters.org/UHC Foundation, and there's a link to register for the Summer Fun Run, which I have to share. Competitive runners, come on out.
Yeah.
We are a Central Valley Runner of the Year timed event.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so if you have a training program going for that half marathon or full marathon later in the year, come try us on and get your timing done.
Okay, we will have all the information. It's happening at Woodward Park. We'll put the dates, the links to sign up, everything. We'll put it on our website. You guys, thank you so much for being
Emily.
here. Thank you. Okay, stay right there. How you can get a free comic book for one day only. We're back with Legends, Comics, and Games after this.